Hey guys, what's up? And just a quick tutorial I put together on how to make a truncated icosahedron in Blender. So start up with Blender, go to Add Mesh, or you can hit Shift A and go to Mesh, and then there's Icosphere, which is will give us our icosahedron, right? Depending on how much you want, increase your subdivisions. We'll do it about there. It's just however you want it. Then go hit Tab to go into edit mode, and we'll see everything looks nice there. And we're going to do a bevel with Control B. You can see it's starting to draw the bevel there. So that's Control B. You can also just hit space and start typing in bevel, mesh bevel, either way. So once we've got our bevel here, it's not looking exactly like I want it. Obviously this does not look like it's truncating just the points. That's because I need to click vertex only. Now it's truncating just the vertexes, which will start to give me the shape I want. If you use an amount, you're going to get collisions. But if you set it to a percentage, we'll go out to, we'll say 30%, somewhere there. 30, there we go, 33. So here's your truncated icosahedron there. It's not perfect, but I don't think anybody needs, I'm not sure. If you need a perfect one, you'd probably want to throw a mathematical model on it or something. So the goal was to generate something similar to what you would print on an SLA printer. So as an example of detail, so you can hit the modifier tab and drop down and select wireframe here, and however thick you want it, thin you want it, and that'll give you your wireframe sphere so that you can print it out. See if I can find the example picture that they were using. Yeah, they were going for something like that. Ooh, not that big. They're going for something like that. So you can see little six-sided holes throughout the whole thing. Pretty easy peasy. Export it as an STL and try and print it out on your favorite SLA printer. Alright, thanks.